Hi, I'm Terry from nutsaboutsstamping.com. I'm back today with another Sundays with Sizzix project. This week, I am going to make a scrapbook page or a memory keeping page with the help of my Big Shot and the Best Root product suite. Now, the Best Root product suite comes with a variety of products, the first being the Best Root Memories and More card pack. So I'm going to use some of the cards in this card pack on my scrapbook page, and then I'm going to use my Big Shot to add some embellishments. I'm also going to use the En Route stamp set. I love this stamp set. It was on my very first order of the annual catalog. Many of you probably know that I do a lot of travel for work, and every time I travel someplace in the world, I try and spend a couple of extra days seeing what there is to see outside of office buildings or schools and take some pictures while I'm on my way. And I've kind of fallen out of memory keeping, and when I saw this product suite, I thought, that's a hint, it's time to get back into it. So I do a variety of memory keeping. One of the really quick and easy ways to do memory keeping is to use these little sheets that we have where you can insert. They're like pocket pages, and they're designed to go along with the Memories and More card packs that we sell that are in the catalog. So the Best Root Memories and More card pack is on page 196, and it comes with some 4x6 cards. It comes with some 3x4 cards. I've done a Facebook Live showing you this product suite, so it might be best for you to hop over to my Facebook page to learn more. And there's also some sticker sheets that come with the pack. So what I decided was to take one of these large 4x6 cards that comes into the pack that says Here and Now, and I'm going to tuck that in to the bottom right corner. And then for my photos, knowing how I take photos, I'll probably end up cropping them. So I'm going to use some Mango Melody. That's one of the colors that's in the Best Root suite. So it's Whisper White, Blueberry Bushel, Gray Granite, Mango Melody, and did I say Whisper White? I probably did. So I will crop some photos and put them there. And then I love to journal. So I'm going to put this little journaling card in, maybe, there we go. And then there's a coordinating journaling card, because I really like to write a lot about the places, because I know down the road I'll forget. So it's best to journal as soon as I get my photos in there. And then I'm going to set this aside for a minute, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to create for these other 3 pockets. So the first pocket card that I'm going to use is this one with the little bicycles on it. And I want to create an image for this card. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to use Blueberry Bushel as my ink. And in the En Route stamp set, there's this little tram. And I travel a lot by tram to airplane stations. And so I'm going to ink that up, stamp that down, and I'm going to die cut that out in a minute. But I'm also going to bring in another piece of Whisper White. This is a larger piece. And I have the stamp that says, do something awesome every single day. And that's how I live my life. I really believe in this phrase. It's like it speaks to me. So I'm going to ink it up with Blueberry Bushel. I'm going to stamp it down, and then I'm going to die cut it out in a second. And while I have my ink open, I've got this little strip of Whisper White, and there's another phrase in the En Route stamp set that says, adventure awaits. And I love a good adventure. So I'm going to stamp that down. Perfect. And I think that's all the stamping I'm going to do for now. So now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the Layering Circles framelits to die cut some circles out. So I've got my magnetic platform, my bottom standard cutting pad, I've got the Do Something Awesome Every Single Day, and I've got this little tram with the circle framelit around it. And that's going to be my first pass. I'm going to put the top standard cutting pad on, hold that down, run it through. But I'm not done with my big shot yet. There's my phrase. There's my little tram. Now I have some scrap pieces of Mango Melody and Blueberry Bushel, and these are going to be layers under the ones that I just die cut. So I'm going to use the same sandwich, put on my top standard cutting pad, and run it through the Big Shot. All right, so I am going to adhere this phrase layer, that's a scallop layer, to the plain circle layer. And then I'm going to adhere the little tram to the Mango Melody layer. All right, now, there's the bicycle card that I showed you a few minutes ago. I've cut 2 strips of Mango Melody, and I'm going to put adhesive on the back of each one of those strips. I'm going to take a Stampin' Dimensional, and I'm going to pop up the tram. You can use Stampin' Dimensionals on our pocket pages because the cards will still slide in just fine. So let's put that about in the center, and then I'm going to put a strip above, and I'm going to put a strip below, and I'm using the bicycle images on this card so that I know that my strip above and below will be perfectly centered. So that card is done. I've got this card here, and I've got my Adventure Awaits phrase that I stamped. So I'm going to adhere this to a strip of Blueberry Bushel, and then I'm going to adhere it across the front of this card in the center. Like so. And then I have this piece that's 4 by 6, it's Whisper White, and what I want to do is use some of the washi tape that comes with the Best Roots Suite, and I want to add a strip of washi tape to either side of this card layer. My card is ready now for my phrase. I'm not going to pop this up because it's already on a layer, and I think I just want it to be a focal point there. All right, so then I also have these Best Root embellishments, and I think they're gorgeous. So let's use some stars. They come with an adhesive backing, so you can just put them wherever you would like. I'll put one there, and I think I'll put my final one up over here. All right, now let's bring in my page to finish it off. And there we go. My memory keeping page is finished and ready for my next adventure for travel. Let me bring this up nice and close to you so that you can see what I've done. And then, like I said, I would crop a picture and put it here. I would add my journaling here. There's the other 2 little pocket cards I created. And then at the bottom would be the other photo, and then room for more journaling, or I could crop yet a 3rd photo that really has some defining things on it that I want to feature for the here and now. I hope you've enjoyed this memory keeping video. If you want to place an order for the products I use to make this scrapbook page, please visit my blog, www.nutsaboutstamping.com. I send a newsletter out each week and it's free. All you have to do is subscribe. You'll find a subscribe now or join my mailing list button over on my blog, as well as a list of everything I used and the measurement for all of the layers. And if you would like to see me create some traditional scrapbook pages, please leave a message in the comment section under this video and I'll be happy to do that just for you. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I'll see you next time. Do something awesome every single day. Bye for now.